Roll.
We're going to load the compactor packer system into the hitch here, and I'll show you how that works so you can adjust it with the trigger here. So we just get it lined up. So we bring it up to alignment, and it shoves in. I like to put this little apparatus on there just to keep extra wobble out of the system. This just keeps everything good and tight. Oh, come on, baby. I can get it on there.
Yeah, don't worry. We can run a fast forward on that too. Time lapse.
Let's see. There we go. Oh, missed that. Settle down, Larry. We'll take our pin and pin it. I should have done that first, dude. And we'll tighten these down. Okay, we're ready to go get our compactor and raise this up.